Everyone, we're going to do a cabin filter in a 2021 Jetta. Cabin filter is going to be located behind the glove box. We're going to need to lower the glove box. Just be mindful of the damper that it has over here. Okay, this just slows the glove box down. We're going to disconnect this first by just pulling it towards us and disconnecting it. Now there are stoppers that stop the glove box from opening all the way, and they're these guys right here. All we have to do is just push them up, pull down on the glove box a little bit. There's one on that side and there's one on the other side, okay? Alright, so once you get those undone, you can lower the glove box. Cabin filter is located in this compartment here. We're gonna take this door off right here, okay? So it's gonna fold from the top down and we have to unclip it. And these clips are pretty tight, but you can see these little lips that are right here. We're just gonna push down on them and try to unclip it. Okay, down and pull towards us. You might need a screwdriver, you might not, but you see how I'm pulling on this guy here? Pull and pull. Okay, it is a little tricky, a little hard. Then we can just lift up, take it off. Notate that the airflow direction on the filter is down. Just pull it out. Grab our new one here. And if you need one, I'm gonna have a link down in the description box where you can get one. These are the nice ones that have the charcoal. These are nice and heavy duty, so I'll have a link down in the description box for it. It's just an Amazon link. And then we get this, and then we slide this down here like this, the bottom first. Lock it in. Just get your glove box door, just close it. And come back over here, grab the damper, and just reconnect this guy. Just put it in here like that, lock it, and you're all done.